Hello everyone, welcome to Nyayasis. Today we will be exploring the case management feature. Before we begin, here's a quick idea of what case management does. It acts as an organization tool where you can access all your research, drafts, documents, and case related material in one place. The tool is context aware. As you add more information, it understands your case better. Now let's dive into this powerful tool. This is how you will see all your cases in the case management tool. Now let us start by creating a new case. Now let's add the name of the case and the description of the case. Now you have an option to add the documents related to the case. You can attach any previously uploaded documents or you can upload files from your system. Select the documents that are required to attach to this case and see how NASYST will quickly attach all the documents to your case. Now let's move ahead. To help you easily identify your case while working on any other features, you can also assign a color to your case. So let's give a color to our case. Once you open the created case, you will see an overview of your case. And on the top right, you will find an edit icon that lets you update the case details anytime. As you can see, NASYST also gives you smart suggestions based on your case. So let's ask for summary. As you can see, summary appears here based on the details and documents added to the case, with the case color for easy reference. Assigning a color to your case helps you throughout your work on NyAssist. Even if you start fresh, with the help of the assigned color, you can identify your case anywhere in NyAssist, even if you use any other feature. For example, if we use research, you can still identify your case that you were working on in here. And here you see your previous research. If you think they are relevant to your current case, you can add them by clicking on these three dots and move them to your current case. Let's see how easily NIASYS added your relevant research to the ongoing case. And just like that, you can move every little detail to your case, be it research, draft, or any other document. So now there's no more switching between multiple tabs. Everything works smoothly under one case management feature. That's all for this feature. Stay tuned for more such tutorials. Until then, keep using NyAssist, your legal sidekick for a better workflow. Thank you.